चालू हाँ. Now because of this pandemic and all, I think it is slightly slow. Still apprehension is there in people's mind. But things are going on smoothly. I feel when government should give more powers to the ZP. There is no much importance it looks as far as ZP elections compared to other elections, Panchayat elections. Because ZP, as far as even finance is concerned, hardly ZP is been funded. Because if you go to see in a year, I think one ZP member basically gets around 10 lakhs rupees to spend in his full constituency or full ward. And sometimes in one ward of a ZP, there are 3 panchayats. So it becomes difficult. It is hardly any 2.5 lakhs rupees. What can you do? I think and government should give some more powers to the ZP, make it more important and more sustainable.
So a lot of protest is going on this state. Do you think there will be any impact on BJP?
No, I think there should not be any impact. See, as far as what BJP is doing is doing development of the basically of the full state. I understand regarding some railway double tracking and other issues are going on. But see what the now some people who have been affected, they are also making noise. I think they also should be heard. But overall, government is doing development of the state.
असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाची सेमीफायनल असं
अरे सेमीफायनल तो आहे का नाही सगळ्यांचे इलेक्शन फायनल असतं सेमीफायनल म्हणून आता जर सपोज तू कितें जिंकलो हे सेमीफायनलीक आपण जिंकलो आम्ही सुसेगाद न्हिदलो इट विल बी लायक अ रेस बिटवीन अ हेअर अँड अ टॉर्टॉइज आम्ही सुसेगाद न्हिदलो बाबा आपण सेमीफायनल म्हणून जिंकलो आता फायनल आपण आपशन जिंकतलो एवरी इलेक्शन इज अ फायनल यू शुड नॉट टेक वोटर्स फॉर ग्रांटेड आय बिलीव लायक So importance is every election is important. Yes, semi-final, yeah, final, and there is earth is not there.
Professor.
Gun behind Pongna, but sanitizer koilola. That is where I went to the voting booth. When I went, there was sanitizer. But I understand that social distancing must na. I think that is not been followed. Now what to do? I cannot understand. So then after even if that is been followed, if you go to see, then it will take a very long time basically for the voting. But I think this as far as this sanitizer and all the other things should be this thing. Now as far as gun and all is not there, that I did not see. But sanitizer is all there.
Election corporation
CCP election in the month of February. As I told you, no. It is all 100% will give a clean sweep as far as CCP is concerned.